Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. And in this video, I want to show and tell you how to read the black marker text. There are a couple of ways to do that. Take a look. First, let's save this screenshot, which I've already done. Click here. And now we need to download or install any application that allows you to edit photos. This could be an app like Snapseed, Pixar, or any other app. Or we can use the built-in editor in our Android phone. You'll be able to do that there too. But my advice to you is to download the Snapseed app. It's a completely free app. You just download that app from the App Store or from another source, and then you go into the app and press the open button or a plus sign. Now click Open from Device. Then we choose the picture that we want. I open my screenshot with the text blurred with black marker. As you can see, it is impossible to see the text. I click on the button, Tools, and we click on the Tune Image button. And then we need to change a few settings that will allow us to see the blurred text. We click on this button. We set the brightness parameter to +100. We set the contrast parameter to -100. We set saturation to +100. We set ambience to +100. Set highlights to +100. And the parameter shadows set at +45 to 50. And then press save. And now look at what we have done. We can enlarge our picture and see that the text that we couldn't read is now perfectly visible. All the captions that were closed, but now we can read them. As you can see, this method works great, and those screenshots that will be sent to us with blurred text, we will be able to read without any problems. So that's a simple way. If you liked the video, do like it and subscribe to the channel. This was the Phone Support Channel. Bye-bye.